The world is buzzing with AI, but most tools vanish. Only a select few dominate. ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Midjourney, Copilot, and Claude. They're not just tools. They're becoming the essential infrastructure of 2027. Discover why these AI giants triumph. Watch the full documentary now. Twice AI isn't the future. It's now. Thousands of AI tools promise to change everything. Most failed. Only a few won. ChatGPT, 500 million daily users. Google Gemini, built into everything. Midjourney, 30 million creators. Copilot, 80% of developers. Claude, trusted by enterprises. Why did they win? By 2027, AI isn't a tool. It's infrastructure, and this is just the beginning. Remember when thousands of AI tools launched promising to change everything? Well, most failed. Only a few won. With 500 million daily users, ChatGPT is indispensable. Google's AI is built into everything. Midjourney empowers 30 million creators. Copilot assists 80% of developers. And Claude is trusted by enterprises worldwide. Why did they win? They solved real problems. Built ecosystems, never stopped improving, earned trust, and nailed pricing. These platforms aren't just tools. By 2027, they'll be infrastructure. And this is just the beginning. Twice an AI isn't the future, it's now. Thousands launched, most failed. ChatGPT empowers millions. Google Gemini integrates seamlessly. Midjourney creates stunning art. Copilot codes at light speed. Claude tackles complex tasks. But why these five? What patterns led to their triumph? Because AI is infrastructure. The next wave is already here. Discover AI tools that will dominate 2027. Link in bio. Subscribe now.